Hello everyone. Linux Mint is great. There's one thing missing: the right click menu doesn't let you create desktop shortcuts out of the box. Earlier, this option was available under the Nemo's Edit section in the Preferences as a plugin, but in Linux Mint 22.1, it seems missing. In this video, I will show you how to fix that in under a minute. In this quick Linux Mint tutorial, we will learn how to add a right click option to instantly create a desktop shortcut for any file or folder. Now we will jump straight to the solution. First, open your system settings. You can do this by clicking the menu icon and searching for settings. Now scroll down and look for actions under the extension section. This is where we can create custom right click menu entries for Nemo, the file manager. Check if it's already installed. Otherwise, go to downloads and search for desktop shortcut and click the download icon. Now go to manage actions section again and click the plus button to add a new action. And that's it. A simple and fast way to customize your Linux Mint right click menu and boost productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips.